The Logitech G915 TKL. This tanky-less wonder doesn't just save space, it brings the future to your fingertips with lightspeed wireless technology, promising a blistering 1 misses report rate. The low-profile design houses Logitech's proprietary GL switches, available in tactile, linear, and clicky varieties, giving you the choice to tailor your typing experience. The brushed aluminum top adds a touch of class, while dedicated macro keys keep you competitive in any game. The G915 TKL's battery life is impressive, offering up to 40 hours of non-stop gaming with the RGB lights at full brightness. However, premium materials come at a premium price, and its lack of a numeric keypad may turn off users looking for a more traditional layout.